Hi there, I am Margarita Ibbett, and I am Downshifting Pro, and I'm coming to you from Glens Falls in Upper New York State, and this is the Queensbury. Hi there, it's Margarita Ibbett. I am Downshifting Pro, and I'm coming to you from the Queensbury in Glens Falls in Upper New York State. This is a spectacular hotel that has been renovated within the last couple of years, and I just wanted to give you a tour of the beautiful facilities. So here I am in my room. This is one of the newly renovated rooms, and just to give you sort of an idea of how big and spacious it is. It's got like a lovely desk here. This is a king bed. I have to show you the I've never had a walk-in closet into a hotel room, so that is pretty spectacular. The furniture is quite lovely, and then the bathroom here, I'll show you the bathroom. Just this gorgeous shower, and then you can see right there the beautiful, I just love the white tile. It just makes it look super clean and super sharp. So that is the room. So this hotel has been around. It was the idea of developing it came about in 1916 when the Chamber of Commerce decided that they should invest into a hotel to service the Adirondack area, which is primarily at that point in time lumber based. And so after fundraising and building the hotel, they opened in 1924. So I will be taking you around to the lobby and show you a little bit more. So I'm in the lobby right now, and this is Griffith Bailey Cole's rendition of The Last of the Mohicans. And the reason I needed to show you this is you're going to be amazed at this beautiful, beautiful lobby. So just have a look see how big it is. I'll show you why. This is amazing. Look at this painting. It is absolutely beautiful. It's huge. And like you can see, there's a baby grand there. It's all very, very tastefully decorated. So this is the lobby. And as you can see, it's like 2 stories. And then here's a lovely sitting area. And then you can see sort of outside is the patio area, and then there's the sort of the square out there. So now I'm just gonna, so there's refined dining, and breakfast is usually served at refined dining. The Queensbury is Park 26, and it also has a pub that has a happy hour, and I'm just gonna walk over so you can have an idea what this looks like. I probably won't say too much because I'm pretty sure. So this is the pub right there, the neighborhood pub. Got quite a lovely little menu, and then we'll just bring it on in here, and you can see the pub. So quite lovely. With the stage there, I would assume at some point in time they have live music. And there's the pub. Right? I love it. It's all very kind of old school. So here we are at the pool. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Wow. This is gorgeous. And the reason I find this so pretty is because, look at this. Look, the cupola. That's what I actually look out to. Now I know what it is. It's the pool. So it also has a hot tub. And then this is probably, I'm going to say it's probably not, unless you can use a service elevator, you can't. But you know what? I have a feeling if I take this off, I bet you this, oh, it is a lift. Yeah, so this is probably, oh yeah, see? Okay. So these are things I always look for in hotels to see if they have, they have accommodations for disabilities. So it's really, really nice to see that. So there's another one.